Now, my question to Yatharth or Drona. Anyone please answer my question.
Okay, ma'am.
What are integers? What are
Ma'am, on a number line, integers are there are two types of integers, ma'am. Positive integers and negative integers, ma'am. And there's only one integer that is neither positive nor negative, ma'am. That is zero, ma'am.
very good? Neither positive nor negative. So, just what are positive integers, Drona? We can
Yes, ma'am.
represent a letter.
It's on the
Z.
right side, ma'am. It's on the right side to infinite, ma'am.
Very good. It's on the 0 to right side. We can put the
Infinitely, ma'am.
positive integers. But anyway, integers can be involved, negative integers, positive integers, including 0, including 0.
Yes, ma'am.
So like that, you're supposed to, this is the basic part of your integers. Then second point, when a number is written without a sign, is it considered as a positive or negative, children?
Positive, ma'am. Positive, ma'am.
Very good, very good. When a number is written without a sign, it is considered as a positive.
Positive.
Suppose, for example, if I'm writing this is a 5, 5 means that's nothing but positive 5.
Positive 5, ma'am.
Right. The same way 20 can be as
Positive, ma'am.
positive. And sometimes I never mention, children. Please, you try to understand and give that. You just think about it. So no sign means it's a positive sign. No sign means it's a positive sign. Right. Next one. This is one more basic point. 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative, children. 0 is
Neither positive nor negative, ma'am.
yes. 0 is a special number. It's a neither 0 is a neither positive nor negative. Neither positive nor negative. This is another important point in integers. And the next one, in day-to-day life situations, we can see money, transaction of money. So, for example, gain can be always considered as, yes, children?
Positive, ma'am. Positive.
Very good. Gain can be always considered as positive. What is opposite to gain, ma?
Loss.
Ma'am, negative.
Loss.
Negative, ma'am.
Loss. Very good.
What?
Loss is negative. If I'm taking as a north as a positive, what is opposite to north?
South.
South.
Yes, very good. Yeah. Left, right, I'm taking as a positive.
Right is the negative. Left, ma'am.
Very good. Left. Hello, Sudhisha. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Hey, any difficulties you are facing in the math practicing math? Yes, Sudhisha. If you feel any difficulty, please let me know, Sudhisha. I can help you. Yes, sir. Height. Height means high. High means
Ma'am,
what?
the opposite is means
Very good. High means
positive.
very
Positive.
good. Positive. What is opposite?
Low, ma'am.
These all are negative conditions. Children, negative statements we can. If you see in the question also, suppose I am moving towards right side 10 meters means positive 10. I am moving towards left side 5 meters means minus 5. The flight is flying high. 15 meters means positive 15. The submarine is going low, below the sea level. Low means you're taking as negative. These are the basic parts. And then not only this, we can go with what was integers with the same sign are called what, children? Integers of same sign. Suppose minus 3, minus 2. What is this?
Ma'am, like.
Very good. These are like sign. Like integers with different signs.
Like.
Suppose one is plus and another one is like minus.
Ma'am, unlike.
Unlike. So one more
Unlike
important.
integers.
Yes, simple. Just opposite sign. Now, children, now you tell us, Sudhisha, please answer. Is this or like or unlike? Please, Sudhisha, let me know.
Ma'am, this is a like integer.
Right?
Like integer.
Very good. Because All are same signs, so we can call it as a like integers. Down portion,
Ma'am,
like
unlike.
opposite signs. This is one more point. Just you need to recollect, children. We are continuously using the terms means you need to know. Absolute value of an integer is a numerical value. Suppose I'm asking about what is the absolute value of -4.
Ma'am, 4.
Without taking its sign into an account, you have to write the numerical part.
Ma'am, 4.
4. Very good. You have to write 4. Just a minute, children. Someone is logging.
Okay, ma'am. Rashwat.
Right. Yes. What is absolute value of -7, Drona?
Yes, ma'am.
What is absolute value of -7?
Ma'am,
7. Very good. What is absolute value of -4?
Ma'am,
4,
4
ma'am.
only.
4. Not only this, children, sometimes they will ask questions like
Minus
absolute.
32.
-32. Now, what is this value? What is this value?
Ma'am, 32.
32, ma'am.
Positive 32.
No, this is positive 32. Instead, already you have one more minus, right? Yes?
Ma'am, minus plus
Yes,
minus plus, ma'am. So it becomes positive 32, ma'am.
No, I'm asking about absolute value. If I'm taking
32.
Yes. Next one.
Ma'am, 32 only we said, ma'am.
Okay. Right, children. Next one. If you take number line, children, if you know about number line, how to represent integers on number line, exactly in the middle
Ma'am,
0.
right
Towards,
is loss, left is gain.
very good.
loss.
No, ma'am.
Towards left side
Sorry,
it's a
ma'am. Left.
negative.
Oops, ma'am, sorry.
Towards right side it is
Positive, ma'am.
very good. It's positive. Now if I am supposed to take as a positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, like that we can represent. Towards left side my negative integers we can represent, children. Just this is a recapitalizing the points. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Next one. What is predecessor and successor, children?
Ma'am, predecessor is the number. I mean, before the number, and the successor is the number after the number.
Very good. Suppose the predecessor means you need to
Ma'am,
take my
if we subtract one from a
One
natural
number.
number, we get its predecessor. If we add one to a natural number, we get its successor.
Very good. It is
Or whole
even same thing for integers too, my dear. Very good.
Ma'am, not only natural numbers, ma'am, whole numbers also.
Yes, whole numbers.
And integers.
General word he gave. No need to worry. Yeah. Okay. And next, my question is, questions I was supposed to give children so that you can, which is predecessor, which is successor, you can tell.
Okay.
I want predecessor of -1.
Ma'am, -2.
Minus 2.
Ma'am, you can ask individually to each of us.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Individual questions, ma'am.
Okay.
I was
Number-
correcting for the
Turning.
Number -1 predecessor is Daksh. You said -2. You are correct. What is successor of number?
Ma'am, the successor of number -1.
No. I'm asking about this is your number. This is
Yes,
your
ma'am.
number.
So it's ma'am 0.
Successor means after the number.
Sudisha,
Yeah.
don't tell us.
0.
Daksh turn.
This is Daksh. This is
Ma'am,
0.
0.
Right. Now this question goes to Sudisha. What is predecessor of -4?
Ma'am, -5.
Very good, Sudisha. The given numbers, what is the successor of -4, Sudisha? Successor of minus.
Ma'am, it's going to be -3.
Wonderful. Very good. You just imagine your number line, Nana.
Ma'am,
Towards
she told 3, ma'am. She didn't tell -3.
No,
No,
she
no,
said
sorry.
minus.
She said -3 only.
She said correct only. Right. Next question goes to Yadharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yadharth, your question is 0.
Ma'am, 0 predecessor is a -1, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, and successor is 1.
Very good.
+1, ma'am.
Next question goes to Ashwath. Ashwath,
Yes, ma'am.
what is predecessor of -3 plus 2?
Predecessor, ma'am.
Yeah, this
Minus
value.
2. Minus 2.
Very good, very good. What is successor?
Minus 3. Sorry.
Right.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
This is your number. This is your number. You said this is your predecessor, correct? You need to
Ma'am.
fill out successor of your number.
Yes, ma'am. My 0.
Very good. Like that, some twisting also given, children. No need to continue. Next question to Drona.
Ma'am, you can
Yes,
give to
ma'am.
Lohini and Sriharsha also. ma'am.
Yes, Lohini and Sriharsha. Lohini, are you there? Lohini, are you there? Maybe she have some network issue. No, Lohini, please respond. Lohini, if you are there.
Ma'am, also I don't think Sriharsha will respond again. ma'am.
Harsha, are you there? Harsha, are you there? Okay. Lohini, please respond if you are there in the class. This question goes to the Drona. Use an appropriate integers to represent each of the following situations. I just am writing the situations on the screen. You just represent the appropriate integer. 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers in 5 kilometers in the north direction.
Ma'am, we have to show the symbol.
Yes, symbol as well as the numerical value of integer.
Okay.
Approx 5 kilometers north direction. Yes, 5 kilometers north direction.
Ma'am, it's positive, ma'am.
Very good. It's a positive 5. Just I will represent only 5. Only 5 means it's a positive. Next question goes to Sudisha. 11 steps. 11 steps to the left of the building. To the left of the building.
Ma'am, positive left. Positive 11.
Left of the building.
Ma'am, negative 11.
Oh, very good. Why it is negative? Please, left means always we are taking
Negative.
Negative, ma'am.
yeah.
Ma'am,
So
ma'am, we
negative.
have to find the exact words, ma'am.
That's why keyword.
Clues, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
keyword.
Like you underline left in the first one, it's north, ma'am.
Right.
Keyword,
Exactly.
ma'am, that is called.
Now, Ashwath
ma'am.
Reddy, yeah. Lohini, please 200 kilometers in the east direction. The east direction.
Ma'am, can you check my private, direct message?
Yes, you can.
No, ma'am. Can you, ma'am?
Even other students also can chart, children. A loss of rupees.
No, ma'am. You can check your direct message, ma'am.
Okay.
East is on the left or the right?
A loss of east is always towards right now.
Okay.
200 kilometers in the east direction. That's why next one a loss of rupees 100. Someone mic is unmuted, please. Who is that? Yes. Now the question. Daksh, please answer the question. 200 kilometers east direction.
Yes, ma'am. So then it will be 200 this direction, which
Very
is
good. Positive 200. No need to mention the sign also. Right. Next. Sriharsha. Ashwath Reddy.
Ma'am, can I?
Mine. Ma'am, Yadarth, can I?
Yes. Yadarth, a loss of rupees 1000. A loss of rupees 1000.
Ma'am, negative 1000.
Very good. Negative. Rohini have some network issue. Negative
Ma'am, I
1000.
gave one direct message. Did you check?
1 minute, Nana. I'm checking.
Ma'am, also I gave my portion, ma'am, to you indirectly.
Okay. Next, deposit. I didn't give this word. Where is the girl?
Ma'am, I know this.
Very good. Please.
Ma'am, I also know. Ma'am.
Ma'am, deposit is loss.
Wait,
I
wait,
mean,
wait,
it's
wait, 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 wait. Don't tell. Don't tell. Deposit of rupees 5,500. This question goes to Sudisha.
Ma'am, it is loss negative of 5,500.
I'm not asking about
Profit.
loss. I'm asking about just you need to appropriate, you need to tell appropriate integer to represent my situation. Deposit of rupees 5,500 in the bank. Deposit. What is opposite to deposit?
Withdrawal.
Withdraw, ma'am.
Ah,
Withdraw.
so if you take deposit, deposit means adding to your account. Withdraw means you are taking amount from your account. So deposit always we will consider as. Sudisha should answer the question.
Ma'am, positive.
Very good. So can we take it as 5,500? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. This is the way we can use an appropriate integers for the given statement. So this is one important part, children. In 1 mark questions, they make frequently testing the part. Now you need to identify like unlike integers. So no need that already we discussed. Now additive inverse. Additive inverse means opposite side, opposites, children. Right, additive inverse of each one give one question, children. The order I will say. First order goes with Sudisha, Drona, Daksh, Lohini,
Ma'am.
Lohini, Sriharsha, Ashwath and Yadharth.
Ma'am, can you check your direct message, ma'am?
1 minute, Nana. I just log in with another device today, so I'm unable to see your part. Just a minute, anyway, I will check. Yeah, very good. Ma'am, my exam portions, okay. Next one, ma'am, whenever asking my question in maths, can you give me a very hard, okay, and difficult question? Sure, Nana. Ashwath, Lohini. Respond, ma'am. Okay. Profit, right, Nana. Sure, Ashwath. If you want such a challenging questions, I have worksheet I will send with you so you can practice those too. Okay. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Next. Write an opposite of the following integers. Not opposite. First, I supposed to asking about opposite is nothing but additive inverse, Nana. Additive inverse. Additive inverse is nothing but opposite.
Opposite.
Additive inverse. Additive inverse is nothing but opposite. You just write for your easy understanding opposite. Next. Yeah, first question.
Ma'am, if it's negative, it's positive. Positive means negative.
Don't tell, let them answer. Sudisha, your question. What is additive inverse of -1?
Ma'am, it is +1.
Very good. No need to mention. Is it necessary to mention positive sign?
No, ma'am.
No need. Very good. Next question goes to Drona.
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
The question is 32.
Okay. Question is?
Ma'am, you can click on admit all, ma'am. If she leaves again, she can join, ma'am.
Admit all. How I supposed to give that? Okay. Where is the option?
There would be an option, ma'am, but if there would be an option, ma'am, but it's not there right
Okay.
now, ma'am.
Okay. Right. It's okay. Next question for whom I gave Drona, please.
And me. Oh, after
Drona.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, quick.
Ma'am, -3, ma'am.
What is additive inverse of 4 plus 3?
Ma'am, this
Not
is
for you. This is for Daksh, I think. Next question goes to.
Ma'am, my answer is correct, ma'am.
Right? You are giving already. You, Sudisha, is correct. Now question goes to Daksh. Please, can you give additive inverse of -4 plus 3?
Plus 6.
Who will answer this question?
Ma'am, ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
answer?
this is too easy for me.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Ma'am,
ma'am?
can
Wait,
Ma'am,
wait,
can I,
we
ma'am?
will wait, we will give some clue to Daksh so that he can. Daksh, first you have to simplify that. The given part you need to simplify. Daksh,
Yes, ma'am.
please, -4 plus 3.
Ma'am, can I do the sum, ma'am?
Unlike signs, you need to subtract and keep the greater number sign, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Nana. Unlike signs, subtract, keep the greater number sign. First
Ma'am,
find out.
-1.
So -1, what is additive inverse of -1?
+1.
Yes, like that also sometimes a question should be twisted. No need to feel tension, children. You know that, but thinking is important. Now,
Ma'am, sometimes it will give a big question, ma'am, but the
big-
answer will be 0 only.
very simple. Yes, right. Now, what is additive inverse of -1
Ma'am,
plus
okay.
-1 plus 3? This question, who's this question? Lohini?
Yeah,
Ma'am, you gave
No,
an
ma'am,
order,
yes,
na, ma'am.
ma'am.
Lohini, Ashwath, then me, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm last.
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Lohini. Lohini, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Lohini, please give additive inverse means
Yes,
opposite.
ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Now I can hear you, Lohini. Very good. Lohini, this is the question. You need to find out the additive inverse. For that, you need to simplify first this. Since here both are like integers, what you should do, ma? Yes. Lohini, since both are like
First, we
integers.
have to add it.
Very
So
good. We
1
have
plus
to. 1 plus 1 is? 1 plus 1 is?
2 minus 2 it will be.
-2
2,
plus
ma'am.
3.
So that
Yeah. -2 plus 3 again, what happens? Opposite signs.
now it's unlike. So minus into plus, it's
Minus, you need to do. So 3 minus 3 minus 2 is?
subtraction.
Very good. 3 minus 2?
1.
1.
7
Now,
minus 1.
no -1. Additive inverse is? What is additive inverse?
-1.
Very good.
Opposite.
Very good. Very good, Lohini.
Ma'am, now my question, ma'am.
Now, Ashwath, Sriharsha is responding. Sriharsha is
Sriharsha, are you there?
Ma'am, he's
1
playing.
minute, 1 minute.
or else if Sriharsha is not there means the question goes to who is this? Our
Ashwath.
Ashwath, ma'am.
Ashwath.
Ashwath's turn, ma'am.
This is your question, Ashwath. Ashwath, please. What is
Ma'am, this
additive
is
inverse of
actually
the
easy, ma'am.
what is additive inverse of this number? Ashwath,
Yes, ma'am, 1 minute. I'll do calculation, ma'am.
Ma'am, last number
Plus
is negative
3
30 or
minus-
minus 30?
Plus
positive
3
number?
minus 4 minus 1 minus 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus
Okay,
4 plus 15 plus 19 and 30 minus 19. 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, 19 minus 30. 30 minus 19, 97. 1 minute. 20, 11, 11. Minus 11 plus 11 will be the answer.
okay, very good, Nana. This is a value you will get as a -1, 11. So you
Minus
need to
plus
find
11.
out additive
Additive inverse is plus 7.
Very
Plus
good.
11.
Very good, Nana. Okay, are you feel happy now?
Ma'am, that was too small, ma'am.
Okay. I want to give like a Srinivas Ramanujan for you.
Yeah, that's the question.
Srinivas Ramanujan is asking a teacher to give many questions which are very hard to me, such as sums you're supposed to give. Teacher won't get the questions, so such a questions only he's asking always. That is the greatness of Ramanujan. Who is that Ramanujan?
In our class, it's Ashwath, ma'am.
Not in our class. I'm asking about who is Ramanujan.
I don't know.
You don't know who is that? I don't know.
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
Srinivasa Ramanujan. You never heard the word?
Ma'am, I know. He's the mathematician.
Very good. I will appreciate Sudisha. Good job, Sudisha. Very good. Very good. He is a great mathematician. He is a great mathematician, Indian mathematician. Number system he developed a lot. A man who knows infinite. He is only the person knows about
Ma'am,
infinite.
so Ashwath is very famous, ma'am, also.
Because he is asking like that, I just appreciate. I want to share the idea about Srinivas Ramanujan. Please, if such a motivative stories, if you see, you will also see how difficult questions. Ramanujan number is there. One number is there, children. Ramanujan number. I already said in the when I'm teaching in the playing with numbers also 1736. 1736 can be represented in different ways. Square numbers as a cube numbers. Also, I said that these are the things when you're grown up, you can learn many things about Ramanujan. Now, Srinivas Ramanujan is a famous mathematician. A man who knows infinite is Ramanujan. He did many theorems on number system, children, numbers. He developed a number system a lot and lot. Okay, anyway, we'll come to our revision part. Let me give the revision. Yeah, this is where I did your identity questions. If they will give little twisting also, you can go ahead, children. That's next one. Are two integers that
Ma'am,
are
I'm going
opposite
to
to each
rejoin,
other?
ma'am.
Children, suppose I'm asking my question. These are the two integers, minus 35, opposite plus 35. These are the opposite signs, opposite to each other. Is it like or unlike?
Ma'am, unlike.
Is it like or unlike, children?
Ma'am, unlike. Ma'am, we wrote his name.
Okay.
Ma'am, who is that, ma'am?
Okay, anyway, first listen, children. Okay. Minus 35 plus 35. Very good boy, Ramanujan. Every day you just bring like many questions like Ramanujan. Okay, minus 35 and plus 35. If you combine these two together, what happens, children? Opposite signs means?
Ma'am, 0.
Ma'am, plus.
No plus, Sudisha. You
Oh,
just,
sorry, 0.
Ma'am,
0.
if we
Because,
add the additive identity, we'll get 0.
Because if we
Ah.
add, ma'am, it's just like 35 minus 35.
That's all. Very good. 35 minus 35.
Yes, ma'am. If a question comes like this, we should take
So if it is
subtraction, ma'am.
random symbol, ma'am, we have to take it as minus negative.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Like, good job. This is a way, just like you're adding or you're taking, you're combining with the additive inverse. The number and its
Sudisha,
additive
can you lower your hand if you don't have any doubt?
yeah. Can you supposed to be combined means you will get 0. That's the one part, children. I need to, this is the one more important concept to explain in that. Now,
Ma'am, now we're doing recap, right, ma'am?
yes, we are just recap letting. We are going
Okay,
through.
okay, ma'am.
Daksh was not there when we were discussing this chapter.
That's why even Daksh was not there, and Sudisha also needs some support in the revision part because many students are having examinations, midterm examinations, children. So that I'm taking revisions once again, or else we will go with the fractions continuation. Next one, you just see, children, absolute values. What is that? Absolute values. Sorry.
Ma'am, one.
Yes, absolute value. Absolute value means you have to take only numerical part without considering sign. Absolute value of integer. Absolute value of integer. Now, Sudisha, what is an absolute value of the minus 8?
Ma'am, it's 8. Ma'am, it's 8. Sorry. Ma'am, are you there?
Ma'am, are you there?
Yes, children, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Why it is very pin drop
Yeah,
silent?
ma'am.
Why, Sudhisha, like that? Okay, okay. Okay, right.
Ma'am,
Sudhisha, absolute value of -8.
ma'am, it's going to be 8.
Good. Plus 579. It's obviously paused. You no need to think much.
Ma'am,
Yeah, ma'am.
we can't see the board, ma'am.
You're unable to see, children.
Yes, ma'am, because you're looking in the Zoom, ma'am.
Okay, just a minute, children. Okay, just a minute. I will take that. Okay, who is that having some network?
Ma'am, I forgot to mention something. Ma'am.
What is
I am
that?
Ashwath, ma'am. I forgot to mention something. In the last class, you told simplest form reducing into lowest form. In that
Yes.
A question, 48 by 60. You did 2 into 14 by 2 into 30, ma'am. It is 2 into, 4 into 12 by 5 into 12. Sorry, uh, 1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am,
See.
it can be 2 into 14, ma'am, because 2 into 14 is 28.
Okay. Yeah, this is you are able to see Sudhisha right now the board. 1 minute, Nana. I'll come to you. Ashwath, I'll come to you. Sudhisha,
Ma'am, but it was, yeah, ma'am, I can see.
yeah, what is absolute value of -8?
Ma'am, it's 8.
Very good. Absolute value of 537?
Ma'am, 537 only.
Very good. No need of things, children. We can go ahead. Next. What is
Ma'am, who joined through the name Srinivas Raman?
I'm Ashwath, ma'am.
Okay, don't worry about that. Let it be, because we said as an appreciation for him, so he feels very happy with that. He
Ma'am,
joined.
we'll keep it like a statue as a memory.
Okay, circle. Children, next question, please. Don't divert for those things. Circle the greater integer. Circle the greater integer. Now the question goes to Yadharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yadharth.
Yes, ma'am.
-6 and -17.
Ma'am, greater is -6, ma'am.
Very good. You need to circle the greater. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Dhrona. -1,
Yes, ma'am.
-100.
Circle the greater integer -1, ma'am.
Very good.
-1, ma'am.
Next, the third question goes to Sudhisha. Sudhisha, are you
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
Sudhisha, which is a greater integer? You need to circle the greater integer here. You just please tell me which is the greater. I will circle.
Ma'am, -1.
Why, Sudhisha?
Ma'am, because if there are so many minus, if we add so many minus to 1, it forms
Very good.
120.
Very good. Very good. Good explanation. But if you do towards left side, the value is decreasing. That's why -1 is greater,
Ma'am,
right?
Ashwath is
Yes,
telling
ma'am.
the answer is wrong, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the last class, you explained one question for simplest form. The A bit. That is wrong, I'm telling.
I didn't check, children. If anything, please correct yourself. See,
The
please.
simplest form needs to be 4 by 5.
Okay. What I gave?
Ma'am, in the you wrote 48 as 2 into 14, but it is 2 into 24, ma'am. That's why all the answer came wrong.
Okay.
I was checking the recordings, ma'am.
Okay, please. Sorry, children. Please see that if anything is there, please correct yourself. Next one, -2 and 200, minus 200. Daksh.
Ma'am, I want to say that
Minus
is
2.
Yes, Daksh.
ma'am,
Minus 2.
Good. Yes, Sudisha. Yes, Sudisha. Now you have to
Ma'am.
use the appropriate sign here. Minus 4, need plus 6. So which sign I supposed to use here? Is it less than or greater than or equal sign?
Greater than, ma'am.
Greater than. Who said greater than?
Sudisha, ma'am.
Sudisha, if I'm keeping greater than, what happens?
Ma'am, 6 is greater than minus 4.
I'm asking, see the question on the screen, which sign I supposed to place in the box?
Ma'am, lesser than.
Next question goes to Drona. Which sign are supposed to place in the box?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 2 is greater than minus 10, ma'am.
Very good. Next 0 and minus 9. Drona, not Drona. Yedar.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 0, ma'am, is greater than negative.
Very good. All negative numbers. All, is it a statement all negative numbers are less than positive integers, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Like that, you're supposed to make some few statements in your brain, children. You never they make mistakes.
Ma'am, 0 is greater than all negative numbers.
Now, my question goes to Sudisha. You need to arrange the given integers in descending order. Descending order. Descending order, you need to arrange the given integers. The integers are 2, 0, negative 1, negative positive 8, and negative 5, negative 3. Sudisha, quickly arrange in descending order.
Ma'am,
What is
first positive 8, then positive 2, then positive 0, then minus 1, then minus
no.
3, then minus 5.
no wrong?
0 is not positive.
0. So she said correct only.
0 is
She
not
said-
positive. She told 8, positive 2, and positive 0, ma'am.
Okay. Either 0 is neither positive nor negative, so you can
Ma'am,
just
it's just 0, ma'am.
mention as 0, then minus 1. What is next number, Sudisha?
Ma'am, minus 1, minus 3,
Very good.
minus 5.
That's all. Descending order means big to small. She said absolutely correct. Very good. Next. 2 greater than, my question.
Lohini.
Lohini. 2
What is it,
greater.
Drona?
No, Lohini should answer this. 2 greater than plus 3. 2 greater than plus 3 is how much? Yes. 2 greater than plus 3. Children, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, we're there, ma'am. We can listen. We can hear you, ma'am.
But why no one is not answering? 1 minute. The question
Ma'am,
goes
you said Lohini, ma'am.
maybe network issue, Nana. She is trying to joining and many times she's joining and disconnecting. I'm not sure whether she can answer. Is Sudisha, Sri Harsha, are you responding? Sri Harsha, are you there in the meet? Sri Harsha. Okay, Daksh, I will go with the Daksh, then I can call other student. 2 greater than plus 3.
Yes, ma'am. 2 greater than plus 3 is 5. Plus 5.
Good. Next, 7 less than, this is Yadharth. Please, Yadharth, answer the
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
7 less than minus 12. Seven less than minus 12.
Less than a hint. I can give a hint, ma'am. Less
Yeah.
than is always minus.
Yeah, towards
Ma'am,
left.
I know that, ma'am.
Yeah, he knows, but he's thinking, he's trying
Ma'am,
to.
19, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Negative
thought
19.
it was Drona, ma'am, because
Negative.
I thought that is why I was giving hint.
Okay.
Ma'am, negative 19.
Negative 19, very good. Even
Ma'am,
Drona,
you need to give me question, right, ma'am?
yeah, Ashwath, I'm coming. Yes, 7 less than -2.
Ma'am, then give him a big question because he wanted one.
Less than -2. 7 less than -2. Wait.
7
-9.
7 less than -2 is -9.
Good.
We
Next,
just need to take the tens place out of this out of Yadad's question, ma'am.
next question. Next I want to know. Sudesha, please answer.
Ma'am, we can just do 7 plus 2 is 9 and then add the symbol.
5 more than -4.
Ma'am, -9.
5 more
Ma'am,
-5. The keyword is more than.
Plus 1.
Wait.
forward.
Ma'am, it's going to be
More means right side.
Forward.
Line, right side. So
Ma'am, it's 1.
very good. It's +1. Very good. Right. Like that, whatever the question, children, please think and carefully. Only the thing is less than, like such a keywords are given, you need to come towards the left side on your
Ma'am,
number.
can I do the next one?
But more than or greater than or such keywords are given, you need to go towards right side on your number line, children. Next question goes to, 7 less than -1. 7 less than -3.
Ma'am, there is only 10 minutes remaining, ma'am. Can you give me
Okay.
after
7
last
less than
very
minus
hard question?
1 minute. 7 less than -3. Ashwath. Ashwath, are you there?
Ma'am, are you there, ma'am?
Okay. Drona, please answer. 7
Yes,
less
ma'am.
than -3.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's +4, ma'am.
7 less than -3. No.
Ma'am, pause.
No, in your number line, you are in -3. 7 left than means 7th step, you need to come back. So -4, -5, -6, -7, -8,
Ma'am, negative 10.
-9, like that, a 10 step -10. So where you are reaching?
-10, ma'am.
-10. Like
Ma'am,
that,
if both are negative, ma'am, we can just add them, which is 7 plus 3, 10, ma'am. Then add the negative symbol.
negative sign. That is also way.
Ma'am, the class is ending, ma'am. You just asked me a very big question that you know, ma'am.
Okay.
Integer.
Okay. Now list any 5 integers different from each other by 4 units in ascending order. Just a minute. I just want to give one lively.
Ma'am, if there are big questions in textbook, you just add all that question to make one question.
Okay. Srikanth, Ashwath received ₹400 from his aunt and additional amount ₹750 from her sister. From his sister, use integers to calculate total amount with Ashwath Reddy.
Ma'am, can you write that in the board?
Ashwath received ₹400 from her aunt. Her aunt is giving ₹400 for her.
Ma'am, it's his aunt, ma'am. I'm not a girl.
Sorry. His aunt, and she gave ₹400 to for his pocket money. Next, the same his sister gave. How much? ₹750 she gave.
Ma'am, I gave to my aunt, ma'am.
No. They are giving. Just a minute. You received the amount from your aunt and your sister.
Ma'am, but you wrote opposing arrows, ma'am.
Okay, no arrows don't. Just I'm giving the amount supposed to be get from. Don't think like that. Use integers to calculate the total amount with Srikanth.
Ma'am, aunt and his sister are giving to him, or is he giving?
No, Sudisha, listen the question.
Ma'am, it is
Ashwath received rupees 400 from his aunt as well as
1,100. I received 1,150.
very good,
1,150 rupees.
50. Use integers to
Ma'am,
calculate.
I understood.
Plus, ma'am. Plus deposit.
Right, because you
1,000.
yeah, in your
Plus
account,
or deposit, ma'am.
right, very good. Plus, you need to add 2 together, but positive only, children. 1,050, 1,150, right?
Ma'am, 1,150.
This is the amount. Like that,
Ma'am, just adding, ma'am.
we have many questions like that, children. A volleyball team scored 3 points by winning 3 games and negative 2 points by losing 2
Ma'am, you
games.
give.
Can you
Ma'am,
write
you
on
give
the board,
any
ma'am?
question like minus, minus 4, minus like that. A big one, ma'am. Full board should be completed, ma'am.
Okay. That
Sorry
for
to give such big task, ma'am, but I want it.
okay. Okay. Right. I will forward. I'll think and forward in our group. Please, you just go ahead. And before going to that, what's time right now, children? Can we?
It is
Ma'am, it's ma'am, it's
Ma'am,
5
it's
for
5:54.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe 50.
6:54.
Ma'am, 5:54.
6.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
5.
Okay.
5.
So 6 minutes to 6, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Sudisha, quickly we will recapitalize the addition concept also. Positive 5 added with negative positive 56. What is the answer? Negative.
Ma'am, the answer is going
Yes, come on, quick answer.
to go for the first one. Right?
First one, please answer. Second one also, you please answer. Third one,
Ma'am,
that
it's going to be minus 61.
which one? First one,
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
minus.
how can that?
Wait. Where you will get this minus sign from? Where?
Ma'am, because plus and plus it is equal to minus.
Plus and plus equal to minus. So when I said like that, is anytime I said like that, Sudisha.
Plus and plus is plus only.
Sudisha, this is
Ma'am, plus. Ma'am, plus and plus is plus only.
Sudisha, like signs here both are same signs. You need to add and keep the common sign. Which is commonly you have the sign. Is it minus sign you have?
No, ma'am.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, plus 61.
Next bit, please tell the next bit.
Yeah, ma'am. The next one. Ma'am, these are also like only.
Ma'am, pocket.
What you should do?
So, ma'am, we have to add and put a minus one,
Sign, correct.
minus symbol. So
Right.
the answer is going to be 48.
Ma'am, negative pocket.
Sign.
Ma'am, minus 48.
That should be given very clearly. Okay, next question, please.
Ma'am, if it is
Minus
random,
12 table,
then
ma'am.
we
Minus
have
12
to
table.
go to minus, ma'am.
Which one?
So,
Yeah. Please, you
Ma'am,
just
if
go
it
with the
is-
third bit. Wait. I will come to you. Sudisha, please answer the third bit.
yeah, ma'am. The third bit, ma'am, 300 minus 48.
Okay.
1 minute, ma'am.
And fourth bit also.
I have the answer, ma'am.
Wait, Nana. She's giving a wrong answer sometimes. Please wait.
Ma'am, it's 252
Correct,
Very-
ma'am.
minus 252
What sign, ma? What sign?
plus, ma'am.
Correct,
Next,
ma'am.
fourth one. Wait, Nana. We will call like that. One student is we supposed to ask means they can.
No, ma'am, I'm not telling the answer. I'm just saying correct.
Okay. Sudisha, please.
Ma'am, ma'am, minus 9.
Very good. Minus 9, you are correct. Sudisha, the same way if I'm giving 3 integers like a minus 3, minus 4, and a minus 5, and a minus 6. What is the answer? Yes.
Ma'am, it's minus 14.
No.
Ma'am, it is the logical one, ma'am.
Exactly.
Ma'am, 19.
No. What type of, is it like or unlike signs?
Ma'am, like.
What you should do, like means
Ma'am, we should put minus only.
sign, okay, that's a result, you are keeping minus sign. You, what operation you supposed to do? You are adding or subtracting?
Subtracting.
Like signs means you are subtracting.
No, ma'am, we are adding.
So add all the numbers. Please add all the numbers, Sudesha.
Ma'am, minus 19.
Minus
19.
18 kada nana, minus 18.
Ma'am, 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12,
Ah,
ma'am.
even
Ma'am, I gave the answer just after 1 second you gave answer. Ma'am.
exactly, I know that you are using property. Negative 4, 6 you combined, and 5 plus 3, 8 you are combining and you are giving as answer.
Ma'am,
Very good.
first you need to see symbols, ma'am.
Yeah, symbols. Suppose, Sudisha, if I'm giving a two like negative numbers and two numbers like a positive numbers, what is the answer? Sudisha, if the question is like that, what is your answer?
Ma'am, it's going to be a minus.
I don't know what you suppose you.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am, this question.
You have to rewrite, Sudisha, all negatives you make together. You just first make it together. Or all positives you make it together.
Ma'am, the answer will be not satisfying, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I understand the logic, ma'am.
Yeah. Sudisha, are you thinking or simply sitting?
Ma'am, I'm thinking.
Mm.
Ma'am, the answer will be not satisfying.
Don't tell, man, don't
I
tell.
said don't tell.
What we should do for this, what we should do for this.
Ma'am, minus and minus is equal to minus.
Very good.
Then plus and plus is.
No, the number you have to tell. What is mine? Negative 2, negative 6 is?
Ma'am, minus 8.
Okay. Then this is for both are positive. You need to combine.
Ma'am, positive plus positive, it's positive.
Yes. Is it additive inverse concept? Same numbers, opposite signs. What is the value?
Ma'am, the answer is going to be 0.
Right. I will, children, I will beat you if you do any integers mistakes. I will write little big also. Like signs. Like signs. Add. Add. Like signs. Add. Unlike signs. Unlike signs. What you should do? Subtract.
Subtract.
But one thing, children, here one more condition is there. You need to keep a common sign. Like signs means common sign you have to put. Common.
Ma'am, I'll be right back.
No. Like
Huh?
signs means adding and
Ma'am, I will be right back, ma'am.
okay.
Ma'am, in that time you can give me one question.
Right, children. This is for everyone. You're supposed to think that Ashwat, Yadharth, Drona, Sri Harsha, and Lohini. Everyone should think and give answer. My question: -1, -2, or else directly I will write -2, -3, -4, -5, +6, +7, +8, +9, +10, -11, -12,
This one, ma'am, I got it. I got the answer.
-14, -15. Please answer my question.
Yes, ma'am. I'll type in the chat.
Did you share your question paper, Ashwat?
Ma'am, I didn't share yet. Should I share in the Google Class?
No. You please share with me personal WhatsApp. What are the questions you are getting?
Okay, ma'am.
To see how much my student is confident with the paper. Shall we close, children, because other class is there today? Please practice to complete integer chapter.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am. I'll give it in the chat.
Any logics also there? Please use your logic, children.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Now.
Other students already started discussion. Just a minute, children. Okay, please, children, give the answer in the chat also, private chat also. We'll start the class.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am. I got the answer. Ma'am, the answer is the answer is minus 42.
Okay, very
Is it
good.
correct, ma'am?
Very good.
Thank you.